What's up, guys? My name is Michael. Let's talk today about ADA as the Cardano network's native token. I think some of you are ready to blast off with the ADA in 2024. The million-dollar question to you, will Cardano finally reach escape velocity this year? Whispers on the wind are saying 24 can be its year to explode. But here's the real question. Is this Cardano hype or is this a real fire behind the smoke? That's what we're gonna crack open in the video. We'll dissect the key factors, the expert predictions that could send ADA to the moon or leave it to the ground. So not only will this video uncover the secrets behind Cardano's potential moonshot in 2024, but you will also discover hidden factors that most analysts completely overlook. Watch until the end to unlock the full picture. Overview of Cardano. So Cardano was cooked up by Charles Hoskinson, who also had a hand in making Ethereum. His goal? To make Cardano better than Ethereum in three big ways. More dependable, able to handle lots of users and transactions, and super secure. They kicked off work on Cardano back in 2015, and it officially hit the scene in 2017. What makes Cardano take the proof of stake? Consensus protocol. Here's the deal. In Cardano land, you can stake your ADA tokens on the blockchain to help verify transactions, and guess what? You get rewarded for it in more ADA tokens. It's like getting a bonus just for playing your part in keeping the network running smoothly. Plus, the staking setup encourages active participation and ensures the security of the whole blockchain. Pretty neat, right? But that's not all ADA can do. It's got another trick up its sleeve: voting and governance. Unlike some other blockchain projects that rely on miners, Cardano puts the power in the hands of ADA holders. When there is a proposal for a change or improvement of the network, ADA holders get to vote on it using their tokens. This is how Cardano stays decentralized and governed by the folks who invested in it. Pretty democratic, if you ask me. Now, with the launch of Phase 3, ADA is stepping into the spotlight even more. It's going to be the fuel for all those fancy smart contracts and decentralized apps that will be popping up on the Cardano blockchain. Developers will use ADA to create and power these smart contracts, bringing even more functionality to the network. Exciting times ahead for ADA, that's for sure. Despite taking a bit of a hit recently, Cardano is still holding strong in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market value. This means it's a big player in the crypto game, no doubt about it. Now, when it comes to performance, Cardano hasn't been shooting up like some other cryptos. It's been more of a slow and steady kind of growth. Some folks think this could be because investors are playing it safe and waiting to see how things pan up. Factors affecting ADA price. What's driving the price of Cardano? First off, we've got to talk about market sentiment. You know how people's feelings about something can really sway its value. Well, it's the same deal with Cardano. If the folks are feeling good about it, the price tends to go up. But if there is a lot of uncertainty or doubt, it can drag the price down. Next up, we've got adoption. Basically, the more people and businesses start using Cardano, the more valuable it becomes. It's all about supply and demand, right? If there is a high demand for Cardano but not enough to go around, the price goes up. Then there is technology. Cardano's got some seriously cool tech behind it, like Ouroboros and Plutus. Those innovative features not only make Cardano more efficient and secure, but also attract investors looking for the next big thing in crypto. Let's look at Pluto. It isn't an average smart contract platform. It's got some serious advantages that set it apart from the competition. When you compare it to other platforms like Hyperledger or Mastercard blockchain, you will see what I mean. One of the coolest things about Plutus is its focus on security. It's designed to make sure smart contracts are correct and secure, which is super important in the world of crypto. Plus, Plutus takes a unique integrated approach that prioritizes safety and convenience over everything else. And get this, it even supports user-friendly tokens, which can help cut down on the amount of code you need to write. That's a big deal, especially when you're dealing with complex blockchain platforms like Ethereum. So when it comes down to it, Plutus is the secret sauce that's putting Cardano ahead of the pack. Its extra features and advantages make it a game changer in the world of smart contract platforms. And that's why Plutus is unique. It's paving the way for Cardano to lead the charge in the crypto world. Okay, regulation is another big one. If governments start cracking down on crypto or putting stricter rules in place, it can shake things up and cause prices to fluctuate. Keep an eye on any news about regulations because it can have a big impact on Cardano's price. And finally, we've got competition. There is a ton of cryptocurrencies out there, all vying for attention and investment. So if a new crypto comes along with better features or hype, it could steal some of Cardano's thunder and affect its price. So there you have it, guys. Market sentiment, adoption, technology, regulation, and competition all playing a role in shaping the price of Cardano. Feeling bullish on Cardano? Let everyone know. Like this video and share your ADA price predictions in the comments, guys. Expert opinions are all over the map on Cardano's price in 2024. Some are predicting a glorious surge to $1, while others are calling for a crash down to $0.1. So, who do you believe, guys? Price predictions and forecasts. All right, let's talk about the price predictions and forecasts for Cardano. Now, keep in mind, nobody's got a magic wand here, but analysts and experts have some interesting takes. Some folks are feeling bullish about ADA's price movement in 2024. But hey, guys, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some bearish scenarios too. Some experts are saying that if Cardano doesn't deliver on its promises or faces stiff competition from other cryptos, its price might not soar as high as folks hope. Price predictions and forecasts from analysts and experts. Let's check out what the experts are saying about Cardano's future price. According to Coinpedia, they are feeling pretty optimistic. They're thinking with a bull run in 2024. Cardano prices are expected to create a new swing high of $2.2, with an average of 1.698. The ADA prices could settle down at $1.37 by the end of 2024 due to expiration. Then there is a digital coin price. They're also seeing green, forecasting ADA to hit $0.99 by December 2024. They are pointing to potential partnerships and grow in the Cardano ecosystem as reasons for the bullish prediction. But some experts are taking a pretty bearish stance, predicting ADA's price could even drop to 25 cents by December 24. They are pointing figures at regulatory uncertainties as a potential reasons for the downturn. Let's discuss Cardano's future. What factors do you guys think will influence ADA's price in 2024? Leave a comment below. What we do know, Cardano's got some exciting stuff in the pipeline. With the rollout of smart contracts and partnerships on the horizon, there is a lot of potential for growth. Plus, let's not forget about Cardano's strong community and dedicated team working behind the scenes. So while we can't say for sure whether ADA will explode in 2024, one thing's for certain, Cardano's journey is far from over. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, it's definitely a project worth keeping an eye on. Who knows what surprises the future holds for ADA? Stay tuned to find out. Traders, want to stay ahead of the curve in today's volatile market? Join my Telegram channel for exclusive updates, market analysis, and trading strategies that will help you navigate the ups and downs of the crypto world. Click the link in the description below this video or pinned comment and subscribe and gain the edge you need. That's all for today, guys. I wish you only successful trading sessions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos. So I wish you a successful trading session, guys, and bye for now.